Abby? So on the left, we'll end up with 2n squared plus 4n. And on the right,
I didn't put 2n squared. That's what it was.
Oh, you found it? Very good. Okay. On the right, 2n squared minus 12n plus 16. Okay. So guys, right here. Okay. The 2n squareds on each side will cancel out because if we subtract 2n squared from both sides, they go away. We could just cancel them right there and say, woo, woo, and they go away. Okay. Then we'll add 12n to both sides. And 16n equals 16. Divide by 16, and n equals 1. All right. So I'm glad you found your mistake, Abby.
Yeah.
And you guys had one more, number 19. Oh, that was on the other page, and it was back to finding the product. So number 19, let me see who I had underneath Matthew. I have to go back to my list. Nathan. Nathan, what did you get for number 19?
I didn't finish that one because I didn't understand it.
That was like the homework from the day before. So I want you to look at 19. What don't you understand about that?
Oh, then I did it wrong. That's why.
All right. So for that one, it's not an equation. There's no equal sign. You just need to distribute that f through. Could you do that now, just looking at it?
Yeah.
Okay. What would you get?
It'd be f to the third power. Plus 3 f to the second power.
Where'd you get the 3 from?
Oh, it'd be 2.
Yeah. And the last term?
Plus 25f.
Yes, good. So f to the third plus 2f squared plus 25f. Okay.
I did that, then I tried to whatever.
Okay. So do you guys have any questions on that? All right, so you guys have a long weekend coming up. I'm going to give you some more work on this just so you keep in practice. And then next week we'll start multiplying polynomials. Did you guys see the video that I posted? And there's also—
What did you post?
I posted a video showing how to do this.
I looked at the FOIL method one.
Okay, and I posted a video on FOIL also.
Yeah, I watched that.
Okay, so for some of you, if you want to move ahead, our next method is going to be called FOIL. It's a special way of doing this. It's still distributing, but it's doing it in a certain order called FOIL, where you do the front numbers first, and then the outer ones, the inner ones, and the last. And that's going to be next week. But you could watch the video if you're really excited to figure it out. So I'm going to have you guys do—
Stop this nonsense.
Make sure you write this down.
You stop.
numbers.
No, I'm not talking to you.
Okay. Numbers 20 to 30 even on page 501.
I am an evil meows now.
Can you repeat those numbers, please?
20 to 30 even on page 501.
Mrs. Palmer.
Yeah.
Will you put a video up on how to do it?
On how to do FOIL?
Yeah.
Yeah, I did put that up. I'm trying to think if it's in your Google Classroom.
Yeah,
it is. I saw it.
Yeah. Okay, so go to Google Classroom. I put a video in there in case anyone wanted to look ahead. Okay, there's two videos. There's one explaining what your homework was last night, and then there's one to look ahead for FOIL.
Can we leave now?
you can, unless you have a question for me. I'll be in my office hours from 2 to 3 if you have any questions on your homework.
Okay. All right.
All right.
Okay.
All right. Have
Bye.
a good day, guys. Bye-bye.
Okay, good.
Bye bye.
Bye, Sarah. Bye, Nicholas.